Hello, my friends. Well, it's time to pick the winner of this painting I said I would send to someone who was willing to simply pay the shipping. It's all dried nicely. I have not yet varnished it, but I will do that before it's mailed. Now, all you had to do to be eligible was leave a comment and say the word yes. Now, not everyone said yes because some people, may not like pink. They live out of the country, didn't want to pay the shipping, any number of reasons why they may have left a comment, but opted not to say yes, and that's perfectly fine. It just means that the others' chances are better. So let me fill in all the information I need to do here. Control V. I want to filter duplicate users. That way everyone has an equal chance to win. 5 plus 9 is 14. Get YouTube comments. 43 unique comments. That means your chances are, well, better than 1 in 43 because, as I said, not everyone said yes. So we'll just keep choosing until we find someone who did say yes. And here we go. Start. Britt Clayton Designs, great pour, love it. Yes. Well, Britt, congratulations. You won the painting. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled. Britt is such a delightful artist and person, and I'm going to be able to meet her for the first time in Las Vegas in August in person, and I'm really excited about that. So, congratulations. Send me your mailing address, please, at ChristiePaints@yahoo.com. And I'll calculate the shipping and get this off to you. Okay, my friends, thank you for playing along. Do stay tuned. I do a lot of giveaways. And now let's head over to my little studio and do a little painting. Okay, I had mixed up some metallics because I was thinking of doing a dump and swirl, but I've only done a couple of them and I think they're a little tricky, so I'd rather do something that I'm pretty sure will work so I can get this video up and announce the winner. So congratulations again to Britt Clayton. And now let me tell you my colors. I'm using Extreme Sheen in pink tourmaline, believe it or not, copper, and gold, 24K gold, and black. And then I decided I needed another color. So how I determined that was, so those were going to be my dump colors. So I just started bringing tubes of paint over and holding them up against. And now this one would go. It would go with all of these colors. But I felt it was too similar to these colors. They're all in the warm yellow family, except the pink, of course. So that was a no. I tried something shocking in this, but that was gross. I didn't like that at all, so that was a no. I brought in a blue, and that one worked. It goes nicely with all three of those colors and the black, but I felt it was too dark in value. So I needed something light, but then I was on the track with blue, I felt, so I tried this, well, it's called Ocean Green, but it's certainly in the blue family. And that's what I'm going with. I felt it went well with all of those colors, a nice contrast with the black, and so that is my 5th color. And I'm going to use a split cup. I'll just fill up 5 of the chambers. I think I will just pour 1 color in each chamber rather than layer within, just keeping it simple. I haven't used this but a handful of times. So let's see. I think I'll put the black. Wait, I have, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 7 chamber thing. I'm just using 5. So I'm going to put the black in the middle. here we go. Pretty much just going to do a straight pour. With a twist of the wrist. Or maybe I should travel it. That's what I'll do. Let me travel it a bit. I'm gonna swipe. I'm gonna swipe it. Maybe it'll be a background for something. It's just not doing anything for me. So let's see. I'll swipe with black or maybe white. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm going to put a bead of white. This is Amsterdam and Australian Floetrol. Got this piece of, I think it was a plastic sheet protector, page protector. And I'm going to swipe and tilt. I love a swipe background for embellishments. I mean, you could paint almost anything on here. You know, an animal or flowers. A swipe background just works. I don't have any gloves on. Wow, there's some interesting areas there. I'm liking that. Okay. Well, isn't it pretty? I'm going to get rid of a lot of that white. Or not. I really like tilting it around to get all this movement and stretch out those cells, change them so they're not just all the same all the way across and down. Trying to fix that one little edge there. It's not really moving. Let me go back here and Yeah, I'm getting rid of the white. Because, you know, your eye just goes to those white corners and I don't want that. Oh, yeah. Oh, I like that. Look at this. That corner, isn't that interesting? Now the other one, hopefully I have enough paint on the surface to move that off. There's the weight of the paint right around there, so. And sometimes doing all this tilting and stretching, it creates a shape in the pour that will just tell you how to embellish. You know, it could be a profile. I'm almost seeing a weird profile there, although it's not inviting me to embellish, but you know, I might see a shape of an animal or something. I love when a pourer will tell you what to add. Okay, I'm almost done, my friends. I just want to do a short video and it's taking longer, but you can't rush these things. When you see potential, you just keep working at it. And as I've said many times, tilting can really transform a piece, save it from disaster, I've found. And I'll tell you, I'm really liking this now. I just want to kind of center the weight back in. I'm sorry you can't see it well, but I will show you a close-up in just a minute here. This is looking very kind of mystical to me. If I was into painting fairies and wood gnomes, it would be perfect on here, but I'm not. I suppose I could be persuaded if someone wanted it. But here we go. Oh, almost done. Almost there. Oh, this is really pretty. I am so happy I swiped it. Okay. I'm not sure which orientation, but let me, oh, where? I have a big bare spot on the edge there I've got to take care of. Give it a little help. Okay. Wow, I love it. I'm going to turn around to show you what I'm looking at, and then I will bring you in for a closer look. Okay. I really like the top, this area I'm showing you now. Almost looks like a figure there. And of course the shimmer, if I turn the camera, I mean, look at the shimmer from all those metallics. Okay, I'll probably speed this thing up so it's not quite so long, but I I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.